Hi Jeff, in this scenario what I have is I have a SIP endpoint that is registered to CM via a SIP trunk to emulate the SIP trunk that your calls would be coming in on. I'm going to dial a VDN that routes to a vector that plays an announcement so the carrier would see that the call was answered, and then I'm going to do a refer off to my cell phone number. You'll see all this in the trace, and then ultimately what happens is I'll have my endpoint talking to my cell phone, which in your case would be CenturyLink talking to my cell phone. However, this is a test that I have. So I'm going to clear my traces here. I'm going to dial this and show you how it happens in all of the different devices. So first, I am going to get a trace going on the trunk I need. I am going to dial it.
Thank you for calling the Technology Solutions Group Maintenance Center.
So it answers. There's the announcement that shows you that it's going. You can see right here the refer message where it's sending it, and it's routing it to my cell phone number. My cell phone number is now ringing. Hello? I answered it, I hung up, and that's that. Now I'm going to show you the trace in Session Manager as well. So we can see that ultimately there are two calls in here. The first one is 7777, which is my station, to 3190, which is the VDN. And then the second call releases this, and you can see that it is 7777 to my cell phone number. So in here, if we take a look at this trace, right down here, you can see that this refer that I have highlighted is Communication Manager, and this is referring the call to the 630-415-5292. So it is definitely using a refer and not just a simple invite. And then the refer comes over here and informs my endpoint of what it needs to be connected to. And then there's notifies that happen, and this is ultimately what takes care of transferring that call while taking CM out of the loop.